sets 2 and 3. Boom Gonzalez, Phil Kainglet Cayetano, Sam Corrales. Zeus versus Nextled. Earlier, Creamline went down against Akari.
Classic Coach Jerry face.
Short serve and a free ball. MJ getting ready to gun.
Running attack from MJ.
Same in the third set.
They have to stick together from start to finish to prove that they have the pieces to make a statement. Back to you.
Yeah, and before Anna De Beer came around for them, they were already showing signs of, improvement. Remember, they were taking Creamline to 5 sets. They had some really good wins.
They're becoming contenders.
They were, climbing up the ranks as you look at Brooke in tandem with.
You have AC Minor also.
Yeah, AC Minor and
the rookie.
Yes, and then De Beer came in, and obviously they did what they did. But prior to that, meron na talaga silang meron na silang hindi mo na sila pwedeng. They won the first set 25-20.
Oh.
Wow, that's great effort by Gonzaga. Jules. Combination play, read well by Thea Gagate.
Not a great choice there for Tolentino. Making your play in the middle, knowing that Gagate is there.
Good reaction there by Gonzaga. Then she used to have like battles with cramps a lot.
Yes.
Diba?
And all the tapes.
Yeah, tama. Robles. Cross court. All the way to zone 6.
A clean
Five,
shot.
Yeah.
Clean shot for Cesc Robles there. Nedo couldn't get to that.
12 serving 9. Good serving by De Guzman. Ad-lib play here. Balik na naman kay Sabete Escamillan. Pero what to Gonzaga this time? Pineda says mine. Brooke from behind fires from the pipe. And a fingertip block.
Both Alas Pilipinas
Oh.
teammates.
Sa gitna, Gonzaga is again.
We have passes, so we have to really maximize that. And Gagate in front.
Lead is 5 now. Again, Gonzaga is all over the floor as always. Tolentino goes up to Sabete, who puts it away. 18 points. 10 serving 15. That's going to go in.
Block point to Scotty.
18 points so far
18.
for Sabete.
Brooke from behind. Gonzaga. Unable to get it through. Maranyo and Permentilla in for Nextled. Permentilla gets that ball. It's a little bit of an overpass, but it's back to them. They send it to Brooke. Zeus reverses to Troncoso. Balik na naman kay Chai. Pineda takes it. Brooke adjusting. Peñafiel keeps it up. Troncoso again with a swipe. Jules tries to say, relax lang tayo. That is unreturnable.
Just calm down. I got this.
Lead is 4. And a chance to make it 5 here. They go to Lian on the opposite side. It's back to Nextled. Back to Zeus to the open spot.
Put away by Riza Nogales.
Nogales, smart play, 8 points for the former UE Lady Warrior.
Great spot for Nogales. Hindi niya binawan eh.
Yeah.
Long ball. No one at the back for the next.
Brooke who gets it this time. Lian on the other side. Oh, what a good switch here by Nextled. Merly FEU, then Ateneo.
Ooh, what a serve.
Chance here, Permentilla, open.
Off the hands, Stella Permentilla.
Bellissimo.
Serve out.